Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their workout space or protect their flooring. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's talk about the ProsourceFit Weaved Pattern Extra Thick Exercise Puzzle Mat. This mat is designed to provide protective and cushioned flooring, whether you're setting up a home gym or creating a play area for your kids. Each tile measures 24 inches by 24 inches and is available in two thickness options, 3/4 inch or 1 inch. The set includes 6 tiles that cover a total of 24 square feet, along with 12-inch borders for a polished look. One of the standout features of this mat is its dense and durable construction. Made from high-density EVA foam, it's designed to withstand the rigors of heavy gym equipment and intense workouts. While surface compression may occur under heavy weights, the overall durability of the tiles is impressive. This means you can comfortably place your workout gear, like weights or a treadmill, without worrying about damaging your flooring underneath. Assembly is a breeze with the ProsourceFit puzzle mat. The lightweight tiles connect seamlessly, making it easy to install and disassemble when needed. This portability is a big plus for anyone who needs to reconfigure their space regularly or take the mats to different locations. Whether you're setting up in a dedicated gym area, a fitness studio, or even a living room, the ease of use makes this mat an attractive option. For added security, you can use double-sided tape to ensure maximum grip on the floor. Safety is another important aspect of this product. The non-skid textured surface provides excellent traction, which is crucial during workouts to prevent slips and falls. Plus, the mat is water-resistant and designed to reduce noise, making it a great choice for apartment living or shared spaces where you want to minimize disturbance. So, who is the ProsourceFit puzzle mat suitable for? This mat is ideal for fitness enthusiasts, personal trainers, and anyone looking to create a versatile exercise environment at home. It's also perfect for parents wanting a safe and comfortable play area for their children. The cushioned surface provides a soft landing for falls, while the non-toxic foam ensures that it's safe for little ones to crawl and play on. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases for this mat. If you're a yogi, the extra cushioning will enhance your practice by providing comfort during poses. For weightlifters, it acts as a protective barrier between your equipment and the floor, helping to absorb impact during drops. It's also great for cardio workouts, dance classes, or any high-energy activities where you need a stable and supportive surface. Additionally, many users find it useful for setting up temporary spaces for activities like martial arts or even art projects, thanks to its easy setup and takedown process. In summary, the ProsourceFit Weaved Pattern Extra Thick Exercise Puzzle Mat is a versatile and practical solution for anyone looking to enhance their workout space or create a safe play area. With its durable construction, easy assembly, and safety features, it's a great investment for fitness lovers and families alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.